Hello everyone. So a while ago I had this beauty right here and I was very impressed by it. It's from the brand Maxwell. Golf GTI in a 1/64 scale. And I think this is going to be my favorite diecast model for 2024. Because it looks so fantastic, so much good details. And now, yeah, metal base. We like that. Good profile on the tires. Red brake claw that's staying on its place while you are moving the wheel. Good rolling wheels also. Very nice interior. Yeah, now they have a new one. Basically it is the same, but it has an opening part, as you can see. Yeah. Let's have a look at the package first, but first I'm going to take off the plastic. There we go. So yeah, like I said, Maxwell in a 1/64 scale with an opening part, Golf GTI Mk6. Make more, do better. And here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you read it. Yeah, it is a non-licensed product, that's for sure. We see that a lot from Chinese products. And there we go. We got the background. And just like this one right here, it comes in a display case. Limited edition. Oh, I'm pretty close. 181 from 699. That's pretty limited, I have to say. Unfortunately, no German license plate, but I got something for that, so no problem. Yeah, again, it looks fantastic. Also, beautiful color. I like it. Yeah, got a small paint issue right here. But the rest of the paint looks really nice. Also the rims, the tires, low profile. I like that. Good interior. Realistic interior, because I know someone with a car like this. Also the seats are spot on. No color details in the interior. And here we got the back with two exhaust pipes on both sides, a Volkswagen logo here in the middle, and heating in the back window. I like that. Maybe a cool thing for later, some subwoofers here on the back, in the back of the car. But let's be honest, if you buy this car, there are no subwoofers in the back, so it is very realistic. Then, and let's switch to another camera mode and put on some light. We're going to have a look at the engine. And here we got some colored details. So the engine, yeah, how should I call it? Top has a silver color, and there for the liquids on the left, it is all white, which is in reality also. And then we got a pipe right here. I'm not sure what it is, but it is in silver. Let's zoom in a little bit. Hopefully it don't mess. No, it looks pretty good. So So yeah, this is for the liquids, and that's in real life also white. Then this is in silver. So you put your oil in here, if I'm right. This is the oil fuel cap. Not sure what this is. Is this for the turbo? I'm not 100% sure. Maybe, but I think it looks pretty cool. Then we have no pin to hold it on its place, but in real life that is also not the case. Okay, it closes really well. Eh. Yeah. Oh, perfect. I love it. Oh, this is so cool. Man. Then we had the windscreen wipers, which are not molded in the glass but lying on top. There is a mirror inside. It's a little bit difficult. Wait a minute. Let's switch off the light. Go to detail mode. And then maybe we can see it from this side. But you see right here, there is a mirror. Then I'm going to take it off the base. There we go, just one screw. Not a big fan of that. And then we see it has a nice metal base with the details and the silver chrome exhaust here in the back. And good rolling wheels. Not perfect rolling wheels, but good rolling wheels. Good rolling wheels. I'm taking it back. This one is a little bit better. Yeah, much better. I guess you have to be lucky. Oh, the windscreen wiper is here also a little bit too long, I guess. But overall, the looks of this car, fantastic. I can't wait for more Diecast cars from this brand. I'm going to give it a German license plate. So I'm back in a sec. We have seen that many times. Hey, voila. License plate is on the car. Very easy. And I used these license plate right here. So you got German license plates, Dutch license plates, Luxembourg license plates, and Great Britain license plates. And they're really handy, and they make your car a lot more realistic, in my opinion. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Now the only thing I have to do is make a thumbnail. Don't forget to smash the like button. Bye. Thumbnail making off. Click.